Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about Omega Select Plus Paniarakkal 240mm maker from the brand Prestige. So let's get started. Now this is from the brand Prestige. You can call it Paniarakkal maker or Paniyaram also some people call it. You can see it's non-stick and this is the product image. Now Omega Select Plus series have all the products which come with scratch resistant coating. They have this nice exterior finish. In fact, the non-stick coating that has been used is PFOA free. It's a harmful chemical that when used in non-stick coating is actually harmful for the health, but Prestige has made sure to not to include that chemical. So this is PFOA free non-stick coating. Plus you get this tempered glass lid also with the product. Some other features that I mentioned are it has this 3-layer metal spoon friendly coating. So it is a non-stick cookware, but still you can use metal spatula. It comes with superior coating. It is scratch resistant. You get the tempered glass lid. Plus you get the sturdy handle. So now let's quickly take this out. So this is Paniarakkal maker. It comes with this toughened glass lid. So you can see it is transparent, and when you receive this product, what you have to do is remove the knob from here and put it here so that you can easily cover the lid. So this is tempered glass lid and it is transparent. You also have the steam vent over here. So the extra steam that is formed while cooking comes out from this spot. So this is the lid. And let's take out the pan. So this is the pan. You also get this plastic scrub inside. Some features that are mentioned on this sticker are it comes with superior non-stick coating, as I already told you, and the coating is PFOA free. It's more durable finish you get. This is metal spoon friendly and the handles are sturdy. You also get a user manual from the brand and this small, it's not a spatula, but this is wooden thing so that you can actually change the Paniarakkal. So whenever you make that recipe, it has to be cooked from both the sides. So in order to take that out, those Paniyaram, when you want to take that out, you can use this. Now this is quite heavy. So once it's heavy, that means it's more durable, it's made of good quality. I like the fact that this has this Bakelite sturdy handle. In fact, there's a small gap in the handle that if you want to hang this in your kitchen, you can easily hang this. Now if I turn this around, this is how it looks from the bottom, and you can easily use this on your gas and you can cook amazing Paniyaram for your breakfast or for your evening snacks. Now these are quite healthy and I really enjoy them whenever I make them at home, and this is specifically to make Paniarakkal or Paniyaram. You can also make idlis in this. It's just your choice, but the main use of the product is to make Paniarakkal. Here you can put just a drop of oil. Because it is non-stick coating, you don't have to put too much oil. So in a way, you're making less oil healthy recipes at home. It's easy to maintain, easy to clean. You also get a 1-year warranty from the brand. So this was it about the unboxing of Omega Select Plus Paniarakkal 240mm maker from the brand Prestige. You get the product, you get a tempered glass lid, this wooden spatula, and one plastic scrub and a user manual. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.